A federal judge has blocked a Trump administration decision to revoke Harvard University's ability to enroll international students. The temporary restraining order stops the government from pulling Harvard's certification in the Student and Exchange Visitor Program, which allows the school to sponsor international students as they obtain visas to study in the U.S. The temporary restraining order from a U.S. district judge came only hours after the school filed a lawsuit. It's the same judge handling a separate Harvard lawsuit over the White House freeze of more than $2.5 billion in federal funding. In terms of today's case, Harvard previously called it unlawful for the Department of Homeland Security to revoke its certification in the Student and Exchange Visitor Program. The school called the Trump administration's action a, quote, clear retaliation for its refusal of ideologically rooted policy demands.
This is extortion. It's a vendetta using all powers of the government because of a political argument with Harvard. It is violating the First Amendment. It is also violating all the laws we have regarding administrative procedures.
On Thursday, DHS Secretary Kristi Noem, in a statement, said the university could no longer enroll foreign students. In addition, current students from abroad had to transfer or lose their legal status. Harvard has about 6,800 international students, the move bringing uncertainty to about 27% of the student body.
I just couldn't believe it because I thought, the administration at Harvard had been like back and forth for the last couple of months, right, on various issues and pulling funding and stuff, which is already very painful for Harvard. But I thought that was the maximum pressure that the administration was able to put on Harvard.
Analysts say the ban threatens academic independence and integrity.
And the message was also sent that other academic institutions should look at Harvard and therefore behave, in quotation marks, in accordance with what the administration wishes. So you can't really have a more blatant assault on academic independence and academic integrity.
Trump and university officials have been locked in conflict for months, battling over federal research funds as well as the school's tax-exempt status. The White House demanded changes to campus programming, policies, hiring, and admissions to root out on-campus anti-Semitism and eliminating what it calls racist diversity, equity, and inclusion practices. Harvard has complied with some requests and did acknowledge anti-Semitism on its campus, but defended its academic independence. Today, when asked if he was considering restrictions on other universities, Trump said, "We're taking a look at a lot of things."
Billions of dollars has been paid to Harvard. How ridiculous is that? Billions. And they have $52 billion as an endowment. They have $52 billion. And this country is paying billions and billions of dollars and then gives student loans and they have to pay back the loans. So Harvard's going to have to change its ways. So are some others.
As it stands, the future for thousands of students is still unclear.